method webinar. All right. So first of all, let me start with the notes. Now, this webinar is for the complete beginners who have basic knowledge, at least a basic knowledge. What is Java? Why Java? First Java program. The first Java program, like any class name, then the main method, and a message. Hello, how are you? At least this much knowledge, if you have, then you are ready for the methods chapter. All right. So, sir, from this pattern of program, how can we say that we are ready? Sir, you see, in any Java program, the Java program starts with the class. After then, for execution of the Java program, we require a main method. Without the main method, your JVM cannot execute the program, because we know that main method is the starting point of execution. From the main method only, the execution will start. All right. So for that only, let's continue with further more details about what is this main, why this main came, what is the work of it. If I'll not write main, what will happen? Instead of string array of arguments, can I write something else? All those details along with other methods we are going to continue. As of now, for recognition, to recognize that what is a method, just a simple. From the basics I'm starting, that's why my terminologies will be like this. So to recognize a method, for simple, you can say anything with public static void main string array of arguments. This is a method. Apart from that, public can be removed and can be said static void main string array of arguments. That also a method. Static can be removed and can be said public void main string array of arguments. That is also a method. You can make changes over here, but what changes allowed, what not allowed, that one also we have to see. So the first thing that we are going to cover is what is a method. See guys, I'll be trying my best to cover as much as possible in this webinar, right? So please pay attention. Now, first question comes up, what is a method? Now, in this webinar, one more thing I want to say, that my target is not only to make you understand about the method, but my target is also to make you be prepared for any type of question that may be asked in the interview. I'm repeating again, the target is not only to explain you method or help you understanding method, but also my target is to make you be prepared for the interview. If interviewer is going to take your interview, then what questions you can expect from the interviewer, that is my target. I am going to make you be prepared for the interview also. So please focus. First question that may come up is, what is a method? Next, obviously, why do we need a method? And next, what is the syntax of a method declaration? Next, what are the different types of methods? Next, what is the use of a predefined method? Next, what are predefined methods? What are predefined methods? Next, what are user defined methods? Then, what are the uses of a user defined method? Next, why do we need user defined method when we already have predefined methods. This is the first part. This is first part. In the first part, this is the discussion we are going to have. Then again, if time permits, we'll be going for the second part. If we'll not be able to get the time for today to reach to the second part, tomorrow again the webinar will be conducted. Okay, until I complete this method, every day webinar will be conducted. People who are attending the classes don't have to you don't have to leave your class, because this all will be recorded. It will be available in the YouTube. You can watch it later from tomorrow onwards. But if you can watch it live, that will be good. But I'll suggest not to miss your regular classes and come back here again. You can watch it later. If you are free tomorrow, if we are not able to complete the other parts, tomorrow also I'll be conducting the webinar. So by chance tomorrow at the same time 9 o'clock you're having any session, no need to leave that session and come here. Later after your session in your room you can watch it with peace. All right, so the first question, what is a method, sir? So let me do one thing. I'll write down the answer over here. What do you guys think? What will be a method? What is your definition for a method, sir? Any definition I may get here? Come on, any definition. No need to worry. We are just here for discussion, not for judging anyone. Very good. Some blocks of code that can be reused. Nice. Set of instruction we can write in the block. Very good. We write business logic. Method used for reusing. Very good. Nice. So it seems that you guys, the chat is now having some idea about the method. So let me, without wasting time, let me continue. What is a method? So I can say method is a, can I say part of program? Come on, can I say it is a part of my program? This is my complete program. In this program, this is the method. So can I say method is the part of program? Yeah, obviously I can say method is a part of program. So let's say method is a part of program that has a something over here. This curly braces. Some people call it as flower braces. This is not flower bracket. This is a curly braces. So method is a part of program that has a, can I say curly braces? Instead of curly braces, use the terminology block, because curly bracket in Java is nothing but a block. So method is a part of program that has a block in which we provide logic. In which we provide logic. What kind of logic? Any logic? Mainly the business logic. The logic through which your business is going to be done. Your operation is going to be done. That's why I say here business logic. Not simple logic, just saying business logic. Reason, business means operation here. Operational logic. What operation you are going to work? You are going to perform. That operational logic you provide there. Okay. So method is a part of program that has a block in which we provide business logic. Sir, why I will provide business logic? What is the need, sir? To perform some operation and reuse the logic anywhere in the program. This is the definition. So let us try to unfold this complete concept based on the definition, right? So now I'll do one thing. Let me create a test file for you. Let's say test one. All right. This is my main method. I can obviously say that this main method is the part of my program. This main method is having a block of code. Inside the block of code here, inside the block of code, you can provide the business logic. So let me say this is block starts and here block ends. Inside the block, what we do? Here we provide the logic. What kind of logic? Business logic. Let us say the business here is my operation. Business here, I consider it as the operation to be performed. All right. So let's say my task right now is to take two numbers, any two numbers, random integer numbers you take, find the sum and display. First program, that's a very much basic program. After that, real program I'll start. Okay. So first two numbers I want. Two numbers I want means two storage I want. Two containers I want. Two named memory location I want so that I can reuse the named memory location. Named memory location means, come on, respond. Named memory location means what, sir? Very good, Omkar. Yeah, nice. Named memory location means variable. We need some variable here. Sir, two numbers required. So let's say num1 and num2. These are my two numbers. Sir, I want them to be a variable. So I need to specify them with the type. What type? Int type. Because if I say num1 and num2 are variables, my JVM will ask me question. Array, I will create this variable. Tell me what you will store in the variable. I have to say I'll be storing some numbers. Okay. Then JVM will ask what type of number you are going to store. Are you going to store integer number or decimal number? I have to say I need to store integer number. All right. Second question also done. Then JVM will be asking me, okay, I will take the variable for you, but let me know how much big memory I will take for the variable. So I need to say, take some nearly 4 bytes of memory. That is enough for me. Within 4 byte, my work will be done. Okay, JVM got it. Next thing is JVM will ask you, okay, I'm taking this much size 4 byte of memory, and you said that you'll be storing only integer, you'll be storing only a single value in it. Now tell me, what will be the range of value you want to store? Is it a smaller range of value or a big range of value? Is it within some range of minus 128, sorry, minus 128 to 127, some range is something like that, or some bigger range? So I need to say some bigger range I want. So basically we go for the type int. So int is going to specify that here these two variables I'm taking are ready to store single value at a time, ready to hold 4 bytes of memory, ready to hold integer, ready to hold a range of integer value. Once I get these variables, now inside the main method only, I have to store the values. So let's consider num1 is equals to 100 and num2 is equals to 200. Two values I stored. After storing the two values, I will display. So how will I display? I'll display the addition. So how will I display? Some concatenation process I'll do here. So let's say sum of num1 and num2. Sir, what is this? Concatenation. This is my string. Sum of is the string because it is within double quote. String plus anything. String plus anything means joining, join it, merge it. Sum of num1. What is num1? 100. Sum of 100. Then plus and plus means again here string is coming means concatenate, because final result of sum of num plus one, sum of num1 is a string. That is string plus anything, again concatenation. So sum of 100 and num2 value 200. So output right now is sum of 100 and 200. Where is 300, sir? I need to get that now. So I need to write here plus again, and I need to give an expression within parenthesis. Here I will say num1 plus num2. So here what will happen? The output will be sum of 100 and 200 is 300. Some gap I need here. So let's say plus. Yes, sir, this one is not concatenating, sir. Okay, this one is an expression separated by parenthesis. When parenthesis comes up here means it becomes a completely different portion. So num1 plus num2, these two are integers. So integers will be added first, not concatenated. Added first. Num1 plus num2. Num1 is 100. Num2 is 200. So 100 plus 200, 300. Total result 300 here. That 300 now merged with this message. I hope this much is clear by everyone. So now you see my main method. In the main method, what I did, I provided some business logic. Got it? Now, sir, you said that you can reuse that logic. Okay, I can reuse it. How will I reuse? I have to call it, sir. I have to call it test2. I have to call it. Let's say program for calling, or let's say program for demonstrating the calling of a method from other class. Generally, we don't call the main method from other class, but for proving this point as of now, the level where we are, for that only I'm showing it. All right. Don't call main method of one class from another class. We don't do that. Just for understanding purpose, I'm showing it. So program for demonstrating the calling of a method from another class. Method, main method. Where is it available? Test1 it is available. How will I call it? Okay, you write here test1 dot which method? Main method. Are you understanding? Getting it, everyone? Now see the output. Sum of 100 and 200 is 300, na? Method of one class getting called from another class means whatever logic I will write here in this program, I can reuse over here. Na? After reusing, I can do some other task also. Let's say, hi, the work is done. Work is done. Here, some more message I'll give, some other task. Now we can perform some other tasks as well. Now see, first previous program main method executed, we reused the logic. We don't write that int num equals num1, num2. I'm not rewriting this logic again in the another program. I'm just reusing here. What we are doing, we are reusing by invoking. Sir, invoking means what? Invoking is a technical term for calling. Invoking is a technical term for calling. Right? Now, till here, whatever we have discussed, is there any doubt? First part, first question. Part one, first question over. Any doubt is there? Structural code I have shown. Please respond. All right. Okay. Now, chat, I'm going to share you one link, our WhatsApp group link. Make sure that you join it. Later, whatever content I'll be providing again on webinars, those content you'll be getting that. You'll be getting there. Apart from that, I'll be making notes and I'll be storing it in some drive. The drive link also will be shared in one day. After a day, after 24 hours, the drive link will be shared with you. So you can just get the notes also. Got it? Boss, Mr. Shiva Prasad, have some patience. We are not going towards the JVM architecture right now. Have some patience. 3 different class loaders are there. Those things, if I'll discuss, means the method webinar will convert into JVM architecture. Have some patience. One day I'll be taking that. I'll be solving your doubt. Now, without the main method, you cannot execute. Main method is the starting point of execution. But without the main method also, how will I execute? Go for a static block. With the static block also, you can execute. All right. Sharing the link with you guys. You can check in the chat. You can join the WhatsApp group later. Now, please come back. The workshop will be continued until I'm done with my content. So maybe next 2-3 days also it will be done. No, we can't write YouTube people pro someone is there in YouTube. Test one dot main. No, you have to pass that argument, sir. Compulsory. Why, sir? I'll be coming to that topic. It's coming. It's coming because we are having this topic. Na? What are the different types of methods will come? One topic, one more here. I'll let me add. Question number 10. What are the not here. Question number 4 only I had given. What are the different types of methods? There only we'll be having one question again. What are parameterized method? What are non-parameterized method? After learning this, we'll be getting that question later in question number 10 or 11. It will come. What are parameterized and non-parameterized? There your doubt will be cleared. Someone with the user ID pro in YouTube. You've asked the question. All right. Now, okay, guys, let's continue with this. Now, sir, what is this main method? Sir, main method is the starting point of execution. Okay, so let me add some note point over here. In every Java program, let me just keep this note under a table, not a table, under a box. Separate. All right. In every Java program, we can have a main method. Now, what is this main method? Main method is the starting point of execution, sir. Means from that point only, JVM will start executing. Okay. And one more thing you keep in mind, compulsory. Main method must be declared as public static void main string array of arguments. Don't change this format. Reasons and all test cases we'll see later. Okay, as of now, have some patience. You will be getting to know what is the use of public, what is the use of static, what is the use of void, what is the use of main, why string here, why array here, why arguments here. You'll be getting to know about it later. Have some patience. So first question, what is a method? Method is a part of program that has a block in which we provide business logic to perform some operation and reuse the logic anywhere in the program. Now, the question, I hope you are ready right now for this next question. Why do we need a method? The answer is Z in question number 1. In question number 1, the solution that I have given, from here only, question number 2 solution is hidden. Tell me, why do we need a method? Respond, everyone. People in the YouTube also, you also respond. I'm watching both the side. I'm monitoring both the side. People in the webinar, through the Zoom also I'm watching. I'm monitoring you. People in YouTube, to you guys also I'm monitoring. So please respond. Your chats are getting monitored. Every chat I can't respond, but I'm monitoring everyone's chat. Tilotama, your link has been shared. You can check it. Very good. Now the chat is responding very well. Break big or huge functionality into manageable chunks. Okay, nice. Nice. Perform some operation and reuse the logic. All right. Okay. Now let's come back. Sir, why do we need a method? My point is, I always say we need a method for the following reason. What is the reason? Reason number one. Provide business logic. Reason number two. Reuse the logic later in the program by the developer as well as the user. All right, you can reuse the logic later in the program by the developer as well as the user. Okay, so mainly two things are there. You can provide the business logic and you can reuse the logic later in the program. Sir, why we do all these things? To perform operations, sir. To perform some operation. All right, we provide business logic so that we can reuse the logic later in the program by the developer as well as the user so that we can perform some operation. This is the reason we need a method. So now the question, sir, if you need a method, is the method already available? Yes, some methods are already available, predefined in nature. Sir, what if I want to create my own? Yes, you can create your own. Then what is the syntax for it? Suppose you want to create your own method, then how will you create it? To create a method, create means declare. Sir, declare is different, call is different. To create or declare a method, we have the syntax. Come on, what is the syntax? Here, syntax is access modifier, non-access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, inside the parenthesis, parameters, after then throws some exception list, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Inside the curly bracket here, provide the logic. This is the syntax. Not getting it? Okay, you watch it. Public, static, void, not void, let's say int, let's say ASCII generator for any character throws some kind of exception. As of now, let's say interrupted exception. Don't worry what is exception and all. Again, one webinar is coming for you very soon, guys. Exception chapter webinar is coming. I will be taking exception handling for you. That time you'll understand what is this interrupted exception and all. And then you can provide a semicolon in the end. Yo, semicolon in the end. Hey, you can provide a semicolon in the end of the curly bracket. No issues. Let me show you here. Semicolon. Execute working or not, you see. Hello, how are you? Again, one more semicolon. Provide n number of semicolon. No problem. Semicolon means end of the statement. End of the statement ended. Na? Why taking tension? Any number of semicolon you can provide, sir. These are the tricks, extra tricks you can get. Now, you see here, public access modifier, static non-access modifier, int return type. Int data type, sir. How can you say return type? Array. I'll explain what is return type. After that, you'll get to know why int I have written. ASCII generator method name, char ch parameter list. Only one value, one parameter I have taken. Throws exception list. Throws interrupted exception. Sir, throws exception list. You said only one exception. Array, comma, then other exception types. Other checked type exception you provide. Have some patience. Again, we'll be shifting towards exception otherwise. If I keep continuing towards this exception side, we're shifting towards exception. Again, I have to teach you exception handling. Then again, we'll be out of the track now. That's why come back to the track. Here, throws interrupted exception will be keeping later, but already I have shown. So one program I'll show you. All right. Now, sir, how this ASCII generator will work? Okay, do one thing. You can do here like this: return ch. Whatever character input will come, that character will be returned in form of here. From here, in form of character we are returning, but return type is int na. So character converted to int. All right, let me show you the work of it, how it works. So let's say test 3. Main method required for execution. Now our own method. Sir, our own method, how we are designing, let's see. Means our own method means user defined method. User defined method. Creating user defined method. Creating or declaring user defined method. Now look at here. Public static int ASCII generator. And here I'm gonna say char ch. Now see, the people who know about Eclipse, you know it very well that Eclipse is using the IntelliSense. Eclipse is using the tool IntelliSense in it. Eclipse is backed by tool IntelliSense, right? Just because of that IntelliSense only, your compilation is happening continuously. Okay, your compilation is happening continuously. Just because that only, you can see your compile time error is coming. One red line coming here means compile time error. Not tell me what could be the reason of error. Fatapat, respond. What could be the reason of the error? Someone is asking me, sir, tell me some website and YouTube channels to learn Java program. Arey, why I am here, sir? Naresh IT Technology is the best website you can get, sir. The best channel you can get. You want to learn Java programming? We are conducting it for free of cost. Don't worry. You can check my old lead code webinars also. Basic to advanced, I'm covering everything. All right. Many people are saying, okay, some variable are going to take new online session because of return type int. That is the reason. Okay. All right. All right. In YouTube, people are not responding. Okay. Some people saying exception not handled. Okay. All right. See, exception not handled. Exception not raised, sir. How will I handle it? Now look at here. Whenever you are having a method, and in that method, if here in this portion in return type section, if any data type is there, then compulsory return statement should be there. Return what? Let's say 0 right now. As soon as I return 0, you see, gone. Na? Sir, return 0 compulsory. Any integer you return or any corresponding data you return. Are you understanding? Now you see, whenever there is a return type of any data type used as a return type, then compulsory return statement. Otherwise, error. Okay. Now we'll be coming about that very soon. More detail I'll explain. Now, as of now, let's see. For your understanding purpose, let's say the main method starts, then main method will end. Now predict what is the output. Come on, YouTube people, you also respond. Don't be a sleeper here. If you'll respond, you'll get more interest. See, more interest will come. Different people, different answer will come. You'll get the competition. Array, my answer is correct or not? So respond, respond. Very good. Nice. Good. No worries, sir. Even if your answer is right or wrong, no worries. I'll not be judging anyone personally. Don't worry. You are going to just check your knowledge. That's it. If your answer is incorrect, no worries. You are going to learn it. If your answer is correct, then okay. Very good. You have learned the correct thing. All right. I'm saying that the output will be main method starts, main method ends. Sorry, return not working. Alright, chalo. Here, system.out.println value of ch is plus ch. Now tell me what is the output. Hey, some people copying and pasting, right? Still now, the output will be main method starts, main method ends. Oh, yeah, here ASCII generator I took method not working. Waste concept. Now you'll say waste concept. Array, one method you declared. If you will not call it, how will it work? Sir, before also na main method we didn't call, then also it worked, sir. JVM internally calling the main method. JVM is created in such a way. James Gosling and his team has made a JVM software in such a way that execution starts means JVM going and executing the main method first. JVM is calling the main method internally. Then what about ASCII generator? Right, James Gosling was knowing that Jagannath sir will come one day and he will generate this method named as ASCII generator. That JVM will execute it directly? No. That is the reason this ASCII generator is not working. You have designed the ASCII generator, so you have to call it. Otherwise, JVM is not going to execute. Remember one thing, everyone. I always consider JVM as a chota bacha. Until and unless you tell that fellow to do anything, that fellow is not going to do any work for you. Got it? You have to call the method, then only the method will execute. Now the question. Sir, I generated the method, I created the method, I declared the method. How will I call the method? One new question shall I add? How do we declare the method? You did. Now my question, some interview question over here. I told you now I'll be preparing you for interview also. So here, some question. Other question also important, some hidden question I'm giving. Question. Hey, how do we execute a method? How will I execute a method? A method is executed by calling it. All right. Now tell me, how will you call the method? How will you call the method? This question again, how will you call the method? Now tell me, here a scenario I'm taking. This is your friend. Okay. And this is you. This is your friend. Friend name is, what name I'll take? Raju. Chalo. Some name I'm taking Raju. The name of your friend is Raju. Your good friend. Now here, this is you. Other side you. Now, Raju is having some pani puri over here. In one Pani Puri stall, he is having Pani Puri. Okay, some Pani Puri. He is having the Pani Puri. Now you are passing by. On the road, you are passing by. From the far only, you saw Raju that he was having Pani Puri. Without informing you, he is having Pani Puri alone. After having the Pani Puri, now Raju is going to this way, another way. You have been looking at Raju from the long time. Now, when you reach to this position and you wanted to meet Raju, you want to call Raju or not? How will you call Raju? Don't go for technical definitions, just simple terminologies I want. How will you call Raju? You have to call Raju by his name, na? Or maybe some other name you have given. How will Raju get to know that you are calling? You need to take the name. Got it? So how will you call the method? We call the method by its name. Later you will get to know that if Raju is your very much close friend and you are in a situation where you can use slangs on Raju, you can use slang and you can call him. Generally, we don't call our friends by our name, correct? We use some nicknames or we use slangs, correct or not? So here the same thing. Obviously, situation wise different, but at any cost, name required. Now, how will you call the method? We call the method by its name. Sir, simply I'll call the name. Will it work, sir? No. We call the method by its name from the main method. From the main method only it will work. You are going to call it from anywhere else. It will not work. Let me show you. Now, let me call this ASCII generator. This method I want to call. Called. Sir, name only provided. Alright, this is method, sir. Method is having parenthesis compulsory. Where is the parenthesis? Only name, not enough. Along with the name, parenthesis also required. Given. Next step. Here, like MS Dhoni, someone is waiting. Like MS Dhoni was the best keeper, na? Waiting for something, waiting for some value. MS Dhoni waiting for the ball. Here it is waiting for the value. Char CH waiting for the value. What type of value CH will hold? Tell me. If I'm writing char CH, what I can store here in CH? A variable here. What value I'll give to this variable? Any character type value. So let me give a character. I'm giving character A. Done. Now look at here. I will execute. What will be the output? Come on, chat. What is the output? What is the output, everyone? YouTube people, you are not responding. I was thinking that only you people will give wrong answer. I was knowing it. Looks very easy, na? Method chapter looks very easy. See how nicely wrong answers you're giving. Now see, I'm saying output will be main method starts, value of ch is a, and then main method ends. See, main method starts, value of ch is a, main method ends. Array, wrong answer. That means I didn't learn anything. Array, you didn't learn anything. That's why you're still continuing. Let me explain what happened here. Why the output is like this. See, When I am calling this method, I am passing one value. That value is now caught by this parameter, char ch. The value that I am passing, is it matching with the type? Yes. Okay. Execute this method, ASCII generator. Execute. When I'm executing, first statement to be executed is value of ch is plus ch. What does that mean? Value of ch is concat with a ch value a. So value of ch is a. After then return a ch. So I sent a value to the method. That value, sorry, the method is now returning something, throwing back something to me. Let me make some labelings. I'm sending one value to this method. Method now started executing. Execution happening line by line. Value of ch is a printed. After that return ch. This return ch means return the value to the caller. Return ch. What ch? Ch is a character. And but what type we are returning? Int type. So ch value in int. A in int is nothing but 65. The 65 now returned from the method to the caller. Who is the caller? Main is the caller. At which line? At line number 12. At line number 12 it is returning. That means what? Here one value is coming. In this place one value is coming, but the value is hanging in the air. Anyone is holding the value? Value came, but did anyone hold it? Someone throw the value towards you, but did you hold it? It hit your head. That's it. Someone threw the ball towards you, but you didn't hold it. You are crossing your hands behind you. You're not holding. You're not prepared to hold it. Then what will happen? Obviously, the ball will go away. Na? Same way. The value thrown from the method over there, value returned from the method is not held by anyone. No one is holding it. And no one is also displaying it. So what will happen? And that value returned is wasted. Na? That's why the output is not coming. That's why the output 65 is not coming. But value of ch is a, that is coming. Na? Now I want that 65 to be hold. I need to hold it. So if I wanted to hold it, what I need to do? This method that I am executing, this method is bringing out some value for me. Na? That value I want to store. What type of value it is? Int type value. That's why I am saying int result equals to ASCII generator. Next, display that result. This is one way. So now output will be main method starts. Value of ch is a. Then printing result, that is ch. Ch returned and stored in result. So what is the result? 65. Main method ends. Got it? This is one way. Other way, sir, I don't want to store and waste my memory, 4 bytes memory. I want to directly display. Okay, display system.out.println. Call the method which is returning value in output statement. Got it? You can't call every method in output statement. Only the method that returns value, only that method you can call in output. Don't call every method in output statement. The method returning value, that's why calling in output statement. So the value returned is now displayed. Method executed, value returned, displayed. Method executed, ASCII generator A, method executed, and the value returned from the method displayed because of system.out.println. I hope it is clear. Now, my target was these questions. How do we execute a method? A method is executed by calling it. We saw here. If I'm calling the method, then only it is executing, otherwise not executing. You see, main method starts, main method ends, not executing. But if I call the method, then only it will execute. I'm calling the method, then only it is executing. Then only the called method executed. Sir, why calling required array? If I'll not call, how JVM will get to know that it has to execute? JVM is not meant for executing our user defined method by its own, because the people who made JVM, they were not aware of it, that how many methods you will design, what type of methods you will design, what will be the name of methods. They didn't had any idea. So as they didn't had any idea, how they will get to know that which method has to be executed? So they've kept one starting point of execution. That's it. In that starting point of execution, as a developer, now you decide which method you want to execute in which sequence and how many times you want to execute. I want to execute this method only once, so I called only once. Only once I called. I want to call the method again. ASCII generator with value B. Again, I'm calling the method. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. First 65, then 66. So what does it mean? It means, one more question. How many times can we call a method? How many times can we call a method? Come on. How many times I can call a method? We can call a method depending on our requirement. Depending on our requirement. As many times I want, that many times I'll call. I want to call 100 times, call 100 times. I want to call 1000 times, call 1000 times. I want to call only one time, call one time. I'll not call at all. Don't call. Just declare it later somewhere else you may require. You can reuse, you can call that time. No issues. Hey, sir, you are saying 100 times I can call. Okay, let me show you. 100 times how will I call? Loop, loop. Let me take a loop. For int I is equals to 1. Not I, let's say count is equals to 1. And then count is less than or is equals to 100. Count plus plus. Inside the loop, I'm calling the method. Allowed? Yes, obviously allowed. Just for understanding purpose, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to display the count also. System.out.print. Let me show the count so that you can get to know that 100 times the method is getting executed. Same value. See, 1, 2, 3. Let's say here count plus count. Now look at here. Count 1 up to 100 it would have gone. You see, count 100. 100 times I wanted to call, I called 100 times. Got it? So one more question I can add here for the interview purpose. How many times you can call a method? Written. Can we call a method inside a loop? Can we call a method inside a loop? Yes, we can call a method inside a loop. Yes. Now, where do we declare a method? Where do we declare a method? Compulsory. Where do we declare a method? Come on. Where did I declare the method? Look at here. Where did we declare the method? I'm not asking where do we call. I'm saying where do we declare? Where do we call? Different. Where do we declare? Different. Declare means create. Call means invoke so that it will execute. Tell me, everyone respond. Where do we declare a method? Hadbadi, hadbadi. This hadbadi only will make you gadbadi every time. And not listening. Some people not listening at all. Question was very simple. Where do we declare? We can declare a method inside a class. All right. Now my question. If inside a class you can declare a method, then can we declare a class inside a method? People who have attended my sessions earlier, they know it very well. The people who have attended the first week of Java from me. Can we declare a class inside a method? In the first week, I asked this question. Our first Java program when we design, after that I ask a question. Can we declare a class inside method? Possible, not possible? You see, look at here. Watch it. This again very much important chapter will come for this question. Due to this question, one chapter is coming in future. In your core Java, you guys will get one chapter. That chapter is very much important that it will continue till the end of your core Java. Till the collection map, that side it will reach. Till the end it will reach. Very much important. Just because of one question, one new chapter generated. Okay, let me take it. Test 4. And let me declare a method. Public static void class maker. Now, inside the method, can I declare a class? Obviously, I can declare a class. Class box. Look at it. Can that class have variables? Yes, why not? Can the class have its own method? Yes, why not? Can have its own method. So main target, can I declare a class inside a method? Yes, you can declare a class inside a method. Yes. The class will be called as inner class. What type of inner class? Local inner class. Inside a method, if you are declaring a class, that becomes a local inner class. Okay, you'll get to know about inner class chapter later, not now. There you'll understand the more detailed of inner class, why required, what is the use of inner class and all after OOP concept, not now. Next. Can we call the method declared in one class from another class? Can you call the method declared in one class from another class? Yes. But only when it is not declared as private. If it is private means you cannot access it outside the class. Look at here. Here, test 3. Test 3 is having one method ASCII generator. I want to call ASCII generator from test 4 main method. How will I call? How did I call a main method earlier using class name? As of now, go with the rule. test3 dot ASCII generator. Pass the value A. So that ASCII generator is returning some output. I want to display that output. So call it in the output statement directly, no problem. Now look at here. Value of CH is A and the value ASCII value 65. Sir, what about lowercase a? Lowercase a, different values. Uppercase a different, lowercase different. Java is case sensitive. Lowercase a, ASCII value 97. Difference between uppercase and lowercase here is 32. Got it. Sandeep, this class will continue until I am done with my concept. Ray, method overriding person, from where you are bringing method overriding, Ray? Sir, can you please share the link again? Admin, please share the WhatsApp link again, please. All right, you'll be getting the WhatsApp link. Don't worry. Admin will be sharing it very soon. All right, come back again. See how many interview questions I'm covered. You see, what is the method? Method is a part of program that has a block in which we provide business logic to perform some operation and reuse the logic wherever or anywhere in the program. Note, in every Java program, we can have a main method. The main method is the starting point of execution, and the main method must be declared as public static void main string array of arguments. Why do we need a method? We need a method for the following reason. What is the reason? Provide the business logic. I want to provide business logic. Better choice, go for the method. Sir, what about constructor? Array, constructor is not meant for business logic. Constructor meant for initializing the variables. Instance variables initialized inside constructor. Don't provide business logic. Don't show your over extraordinary talent over there. You will say, no, I'll provide business logic. Go provide. Your manager, whoever will be there in the company, that fellow will give you very nicely after that. Nice hikes will be given to you. Don't change the standards, IT standards, okay? As per the IT standards, we do not provide business logic in the constructor. What is constructor again? One more webinar will come, that time we will get. We can provide the business logic. We can reuse the logic later in the program by the developer as well as user, and then we can perform some operation. Sir, you said a real time thing you will explain. I will explain. Wait. Interview thing going on na? Basic plus interview gone right now. Little bit of basic plus interview. Now we'll be covering this next question from where I can start my talent of real time examples, IT standard examples in this webinar. So, what are the different types of methods? Come on, everyone respond. Let's see how many of you know about it. Okay, now, yeah, Deepak, thank you so much for your interest. But as of now, there is no plan for it. If anything is planned out, then you'll be notified. Please stay tuned with the Naresh IT Instagram channel or Telegram channel. You'll be getting the notification over there if I'll be starting any online Java sessions. Mainly right now, I'm for the placement. Generally, I don't take the online sessions for core Java, but in a year, 2 or 3 batches I take. Let's see this year if I'll be taking, will be notified. This year already 2 batches I have completed online. So let's see upcoming batches if anything comes up. If my slots are free, then you'll be notified. Just stay tuned with the Naresh IT Instagram page and the Telegram channel. All right. Now, uh, it will be available in the YouTube. Vinod, it will be available. Don't worry. It is live right now. It is going live. You can check the YouTube. It's live. You can share the link with others also. Others can also get the benefit. Guys, can you do one thing? Just share the link of YouTube live channel right now. I'm going live. You just let's see. Let's create a more number of competitors here. There's a very less competition I'm getting. More people will come with more different world multiverse answers they will bring. YouTube link or a YouTube link. Admin, please share the YouTube link. All right, now check. What are the different types of methods? Let's say methods are of next very much important and interesting thing over here. Sir, methods are of, come on, 2 types, 5 types, 10 types. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? 2 types, 5 types, 10 types. Which one is the correct answer? In C language, we called a method as a function. This is Java. So in a Java, we call it as a method. Same only, like function only, but here we call it as a method. Different language, na? So different terminology will come. Like in English, we say water. In Hindi, we say pani. Both are same, na? Nice. Some people are saying 10, some people are saying 2. Ray, online people, why you're not responding, Ray? Sleeping or what? Sleepers? Very less people. Only 70% people are responding. Other 30% sleeping, watching and sleeping. You keep on watching and sleeping again, you'll be in the same track. Please respond. Something wrong also you respond. No worries, Ray. I'll not be taking your name, don't worry. Even if it is wrong, I'll not take your name. Just give your suggestion, what you have got. Okay. All right. People who have proper research on it, they may say 2. People who have proper research on it, they may say 5. People who have proper research on it, they may say 10. All 3 are correct, sir. Methods are of 2 types, 5 types, 10 types. Everything is correct. But your approach is very much important. See, this is a very much controversial question. What are the different types of methods? Some will say 2, some will say 5, some will say 10. It's a controversial question. So it's better to give your approach as methods are categorized into. See, you give the answer to the interviewer, but in a different way, so that there will be no controversy. If you say methods are of 10 types, some interviewers would have studied method as 5 types. Some would have studied 2 types. They will deny it. They will say, "Arey, from which world you studied 10 types?" So don't give the number. So say like this: methods are categorized into different types based on different factors. Say like this: interviewer cannot reject your answer because it's a diplomatic answer. You're right also, you're wrong also. Interviewer can't say anything in this situation. Interviewer has to listen to your words. When you give this statement, categorized into different types based on different categories. Got it? Now, sir, methods are categorized into different types based on different factors. Different factors. What are the factors? Based on declaration, based on accessibility, based on input. Based on return type. Based on body. Based on declaration means who is declaring? Is it already declared or we are declaring? Based on declaration, there are two types. Predefined method and user defined methods. Predefined methods and user defined methods. Got it? This is the main category. That's why some people say two category, two are there. Because main category is predefined and user defined. Under that only other categories come. But different faculties have generated different definition. So that's why I'm just giving you one definition that you say methods are categorized into different types based on different factors. So that no one will feel bad. Everyone's answer will be covered up. 2 also covered up, 5 also covered up, 10 also covered up. Okay. Main two category are predefined and user defined. Under that we have other types: static, non-static, parameterized, non-parameterized, method with data type as return type, method with word as return type, abstract method, a non-abstract method, concrete or complete. Okay. Now based on accessibility, how do you access? Will you access using object or without using object? So for that, static method and instance method, also called as non-static method. Based on input, whether you'll be giving input or not to your operation, based on the two types: parameterized method and non-parameterized method. Next, based in return type, based on return type, based on a return type, whether method will return value or method will not return value. Based on that only two types again. What are they? Method with data type as return type and method with void as return type. All right. Then based on the body, two types. Body means what? This curly bracket you see, na? Curly bracket. Some methods will have the body, means developer already designed the implemented the body for you, logic, everything given by the developer. You don't have to worry. But some methods will be there where the developer will say that I am not going to provide any implementation. You provide the implementation. You decide what will be the implementation. But to perform a specific operation, you need to utilize my standardized method signature. So in that case, you can call it as abstract or incomplete method. When developer will say you provide the implementation. So in that case, abstract or incomplete method. The other type that we have been doing right now, we have been designing right now, this type of method where logic is provided by us and implementation, this body is provided by us. Inside the body, nothing but implementation. We provide logic. Body means curly bracket, not this one ray. This is not a body. This is logic. Body is curly bracket. Implementation, curly bracket. Some people say implementation means system.out.print. This is not implementation. This is logic. System.out.println value of ch is plus ch return ch logic. Then what is implementation? Curly bracket is the implementation. So sometimes implementation provided by us, sometimes implementation not provided by us. Implementation provided by the developer. Sometimes developer provides the implementation, sometimes developer doesn't provide the implementation. So abstract method, incomplete method, then concrete method, or you can call it as complete method. All right. You see, sequentially I'm going. Na? Already plan I had shown you. So these are my plans. Now You see, we reached to what are different types of methods. We got predefined methods. So next question, what is the use of predefined method and what are predefined methods? First, let me change the sequence like this. What are predefined methods? Then what is the use of predefined method? Understanding the plan now? All right. Now, what are predefined methods? Predefined means already present. So the methods which are already present in Java API inside predefined class or predefined. Let's not use the term API for you. You may get confused. Instead of in Java, inside a predefined class or predefined interfaces are called as predefined methods. Methods which are already present in Java inside a predefined class or predefined interfaces are called as predefined methods. So are some example. Let me take some classes. Class, and then this set a list of methods. Class is math. There is a predefined class called as math. For mathematical functions, mathematical operations, complex mathematical operations are there. You can't write the logic for that. You are, if you even if you write the logic written by you, same logic written by everyone. Some common operations are there for which the logic is going to be same, boilerplate. Like minor changes will only happen from developer to developer. So in that case, we are having the predefined method that we will use. We'll be saving our time by using the predefined method. We will not waste our time in rewriting the logic for any common complex operations. So what are the methods? Methods here are sqrt, one method, cbrt, one method, log, one method, max, one method, mean, one method, and multiple methods are there. Sir, I want to see all the methods. How will you see all the methods? Wait. Let me add a note for you. Check the list of methods using command prompt and a command. Just a command prompt, let's say, using command prompt. How will I check? Step 1, open command prompt. Step 2, after opening the command prompt, type java p, then need to provide package dot class name. Example, java p, java dot lang dot math. Java p, java dot lang dot string. Java p, java dot lang dot object. Java p, java dot lang dot thread. Java p, java dot util dot collection. Java p, java dot util dot scanner, and so on. Let's not waste time in that. First, sir, what is this? Java.lang. Java.lang is a package. In that package, we have a class named as math. Let me add here one more. Java P, Java dot, util dot, map, Java P, Java dot, util dot, let's say stream dot string. Okay, let me show you one example. Java P, Java dot, lang dot, math. Math is a predefined class available in java.lang. I want to enlist all the methods of math. I want to enlist all the method of math. So what will I do? You see, it's compiled from math.java, public final class java.lang.math. Now, these are the final constants, variables. Leave those variables. Methods are here, you see. Public, static, double, sine, double, cos, tan, a sine, a cos, a tan, 2 radians, 2 degree, exp, x for exponent, log 10, log base 10, sqrt, cbrt, seal, floor, range, a 10 to pow, round, round method again written, that is overloaded, random, add exact again written overloaded, subtract exact again written overloaded. Whenever method written multiple times means overloaded, method overloading. Again, one more webinar will be there for it. Okay, multiple number of methods are there. Yes, sir, multiple methods. Do I need to remember all the methods? Not required to remember all the methods. By time you'll get to know. But some common methods you need to know, sir. As a Java developer, as a fresher, at least some common methods should be there in your mind. Then only you are a developer. No? Otherwise, how is it going to be possible that you are a developer? At least some methods you remember. Yeah, these all methods are in math class. Similarly, some methods available in string. So for that, what you will do? Java P, Java dot, lang dot, string. Look at that. All the methods generated. You can enlist all the methods. Length method is empty, char at, equals method. Equals method actually available in object also. Hash code available in object. You'll see all these, you will see. Now, sir, Java P, Java dot, util dot scanner. Sir, scanner methods. See, scanner methods. Next int, next line, next float, next double, has next, boolean. These methods are available. Reset, close. Next, Java dot, util dot, collection. Hey, what is this? Not working. Java P, who will write? Java profiler. Without saying Java P, without asking for profile, how will you get the profile? By only saying name, not enough, na? So Java P, Java dot, util dot collection. Yes, sir. That time you say string. Now why you are saying util? A different package, a different class. Different packages are there, and they contain different classes and interfaces. Now see, these are the methods. Size method is empty, contains all these methods. Like this, we have other methods, other also. Java P, Java dot, util dot, iterable. Hey, not available. Java P, Java dot, util dot, iterator. In iterator, you see, I said an abstract method concept. Abstract. Some other methods are there. So this one. Lang dot iterable. You see, iterator method, for each method. This is this for each method. and splitter return method. Java 8 features. When I'll be taking someday some collection related webinar, that time I'll be explaining these new features of Java in that. All right. So I got some idea. Like this, you can find out, you can unleash the methods. You don't have to depend on anyone. You can become developer by your own also. But for this guide, you have to come to me. You have to join Naresh IT. You need to attend the sessions from the faculties. Then only you'll get to know that how do we reach here and all. You can take multi-threading chapter. Yeah, definitely one day I'll be like based on some time slots. If I'll be having free time slot, I'll be taking multi-threading as well. Someone asked for the WhatsApp link, the WhatsApp channel link. So here is the WhatsApp channel link. Please join there to access the notes and to get to know about the new updates of my sessions and other faculties sessions. You'll be getting it because your Java setup is not been done. Raghavendra Reddy will be getting that error because Java setup is not done in your system yet. You have to set up that environment variables after installing JDK. You're already in the Simonic already joined. Very good. Notes are available or not? Notes will be given. By the end of the day, notes will be shared. You join the WhatsApp, the link that has been shared, you join into that WhatsApp group. By the end of the day, notes will be shared in PDF form. All right. Okay, now come back. So some more methods, sir. Yeah, chalo here. Scanner methods are next line, next int, next float, next double, etc. Then here collection. For collection also we got some methods, na? Clear. One method you saw na that time, collection. Java P, Java dot, util dot, collection. You saw na clear method. One method was there, clear method. Remember this? Clear, size is empty. These methods. Clear, add, size is empty, and so on. Next, thread. Thread. Get name. Get ID. Set daemon. Blah, blah, blah. Let's not go for set daemon right now. Current thread. Right. Let me show that thread. Java P, Java dot, lang dot, thread. You see, multiple methods are there. Look at here. Start method, run method, stop method, interrupt. Stop already deprecated, not required. Set interrupt, clear interrupt, alive, suspend, resume, priority, set priority, daemon, set daemon, each daemon, two string not of its own, came from object. Get ID is terminated, get state, thread state. Get thread group, active count, how many threads are active right now. Join method overloaded. Dump stack, get context class loader, is terminated, virtual thread group, thread container. You'll get it. Okay. Now, stream, if you'll say, means recently I conducted one stream. That webinar is not over yet. Stream webinar will be conducted again, guys. Don't worry. The people who were waiting for the stream webinar, it will be conducted soon. Don't worry. Let me get some free slots. I'll be continuing with the stream also. Stream will be over for you. Okay. You'll be notified soon regarding the stream API also. Sort method contains very good. Notes will be shared in the WhatsApp only. You have to join that WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp channel is there, join it. Link was shared with you. Okay. No. Sir, what is the use of this predefined method? Array. Some complex tasks are there we cannot perform. If we start designing those tasks, those operations, those operations are going to be complex but common for all. So in that case, why to waste our time in designing those complex operation? Instead of wasting our time in designing those complex operation, we can continue with some other operation. So some common complex operations are there, like here. So SQRT, CBRT, log, max, mean, next line, next int. Why to design all this? So they have already designed it for us. We just have to invoke them. So what is the use of predefined method? You can say the predefined methods are used to perform complex operations to save some time. To save some time. Time for what? To save time for developing application. If you want to save time for developing application, some complex operations are predefined. You don't have to worry for it. Okay. Now, next, what are user defined method? One of my favorite question. Now see why this user defined method came into picture. Now real time scenarios will come. Test 5. Write a program to take any two numbers and display the smaller among them. One example, basic example I'm showing. Right now, user will be giving the numbers. User is allowed to enter the value. Whenever I want to allow the user to enter value, two basic ways are there. Either I will ask the user to pass the argument, or I may take support of scanner. So why generally people go for scanner? Because for argument, if you are going, means you need to pass the value during the execution. When you are going to execute, that time only you need to pass. You're not going to get any message that what type of value you have to enter, how many number of values you have to enter, whether you have to enter first value, second value, what you have to enter. Those messages you cannot give, sir. Thus, I'll not be going for command line argument. I'll be going for scanner. So first of all, format you see, later you'll be getting to know with time. Scanner SC is equals to new scanner and your parameter system.in. My primary input resource I have given, that is system.in. By the help of system.in means input, system.out output. Now new scanner is nothing but an object. Sir, why you created object? Now again types of methods are there na? Look at here. Types of methods are there na? In types of methods based on accessibility, static method, instance method. Scanner is a class. Java p java dot util dot scanner. Scanner is a class available in java dot util. This scanner contains the methods which are non-static. or instance method. You see, there is no static keyword in the method. Let me show some methods. You see, next byte. Any static you are using here? Any static word? Next byte, no static. Next sort, no static. Next int, no static. Static not there means it is not a static method. It's a non-static method. Whenever non-static methods are there, you need to call them by the support of object. So I created the object, refer the object by sc. So using this sc reference, I'll be invoking the methods like sc dot next int. I want integer, that's why next int. So before that, let me give some message to the user. User, enter first number. User will enter the first number. Then user will be asked, user, enter second number. User will be asked to enter second number. That means first number, second number entered. Okay, now execute and check. Enter first number, enter the second number. Okay, enter. Any number you enter. 100, 200, entered. Hey, where you stored 100 and 200? You entered 100 and 200, but did you store it anywhere? Where it went? Nowhere, sir. It is not accepted. So enter first number, store it in a variable. Let's say variable is a. A is equals to sc dot next int. Now you see the output difference. Enter first number will come. After that, one gap will come where you will be asked to enter the number. Until and unless you enter this number, enter second number message will not come. Because next int method will make your control wait for the user to enter a value. Now see, enter first number. Here waiting, na? Cursor waiting. You see cursor blinking over here means waiting. Here, see cursor blinking, na? Waiting, na? Control is waiting here for the number. Once I enter the number will be stored in a variable a. Number entered. Now enter second number 200. Not allowed. Hey, enter, not allowed. So second number I'll enter. Just a similar way. Int a equals to sc dot next int I wrote. Now second number I want to store. Where will I store? Will I store it in a? No. I need a different variable, different container. B is equals to sc dot next int. Now both the numbers are stored. Let me show. System.out.println value of a is plus a. System.out.println value of b is plus b. Enter first number 100. Second number 200. Value of a is 100. Value of b is 200. Scanner idea you got? Now take any two number and display the smaller among them. My task is to display the smaller. So what I will do? Take support of a method. Public static void display smaller. Display smaller between whom? A and B. Now tell me, display smaller method. It's a predefined method or user defined method? Instance and concrete are not same, sir. Instance method means non-static. Concrete method means method with body. A non-static method can have a body, may not have body. All right. Now, look at here. This is a user-defined method we declared. Now, I'm not going to write any logic for it. I'll show you that why I designed that user-defined method. Now, my work is to display the smaller among the numbers. So let's say system.out.println smaller among two values is plus math dot mean a comma b. Which one is smaller? You see, 100, 300. Which one is smaller? 100. Re-execute 200 and 120. Which one is smaller? 120. Problem will start over here. 100 and 100. Which one is smaller? Come on. In a real-time situation, think 100 and 100. Which is smaller? If I'll give you two values, 100 and 100, tell me which value is smaller. Very good. Both values are same. Are you getting the message? Both values are same. So predefined method we used to find the smaller value, but didn't work on all the case. Na? It's not fulfilling our requirement. Our requirement is there that if by chance two numbers are same, display the message that both numbers are same. But it's not displaying. It's saying wrong answer to me. So sometimes predefined method may not fulfill all the requirement. Hence we need the user defined method. Are you understanding? Sometimes predefined method may not fulfill our requirement. Hence we need the user defined method. So what are the use of user defined method? Provide the logic as per our choice. Na? What are user defined methods? First, the methods declared by us are user defined methods. Right, waste fellows, you don't have to record. Right, people, attendees, the people who are attending the online session, no need to record. It will be available in YouTube. Please don't waste your time in recording and taking tension. Don't record. Don't try to record. I'm getting the notification. You people are trying to record. Don't record, better. It will be there in YouTube. Now, why taking tension? Digital world, it will be available. Have some patience. I told in the beginning. Please focus in the class. The method declared by us are user-defined methods. What are the use of user-defined method? By the help of user-defined method, we can provide logic as per our requirement. The operation which is not performed by predefined method, any predefined method can be performed by providing logic in user defined method. Got it? So why do we need user defined method when we already have predefined method? Because predefined method may not fulfill requirement. Because sometimes predefined methods may not fulfill the requirement. Got it? Now look at here. This operation didn't fulfill my requirement. So here I'll not be doing like this. I will be calling display smaller by passing A and B. Now I will be giving my logic. If A is not equals to B, then only check A greater than B, then system.out.println, who is greater? Sorry, 1 second. A less than B, which one is smaller? A is smaller. Else, who is smaller? B is smaller. If A is not equals to B, then only do this task. If by chance A is not equals to B, becomes false. That means A and B both are same. In that case, what you will say? Both the values are same. Now see, 100 and 200. Which one is smaller? 100 is smaller. Re-execute. 700 and 400. Which one is smaller? 400 is smaller. Now 100 and 100. Which one is smaller? Both the value are same. Got it? So the work which is not fulfilled by the requirement which is not fulfilled by predefined method is now fulfilled by user defined method. Na? I designed our own user defined method. I provided the logic as per my choice. Now when it is executing, it is fulfilling my requirement. Let the first number be smaller or greater. Whatever it is, it will work. Okay. Got this concept? So now tell me, are you interested in continuing more? Did you get something new today? All right. Now, sir, some more are real time, real time. We are waiting for real time. Okay. Now, I don't take real time example from my choice, sir. I always ask the people, the future developers, to take any application from their choice, and then I'll be designing or developing that application in front of you. Because and now one more condition. Don't give me suggestion of bank example or student example or employee example. These are already outdated. I don't follow these examples anymore. You are modern developers. Come with the modern suggestion. Give me some application suggestion. Any application, any real-time application you take, we'll develop it. We are having less time. Please say it fast. Give a suggestion fast. Any application name. That one I'll be taking in different webinar. Regular expression I'll be taking different webinar. Not now. All right, come on, developers. You need to give some more. Check the list step counts and give rewards. Okay. Laptop charging is dying. No, app started charging. No worries. Thank you for your concern, Krishna. It's coming. It's coming. When we take word and all, it's coming. But as of now, just tell me. Okay. One person gave us example of Netflix. 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 Hey, Netflix. Here. What is happening when I open the Netflix? Whenever I'm opening Netflix, what can be designed with a method? Look at here. Here you see. Sign in. This operation can be designed with a method. Get started. It can also be designed with a method. Sir, this full-fledged application, if you want me to design, means advanced Java topics I need to go for. But right now I can't go for that. When I'll be taking webinar for advanced Java, that time I'll be giving it how to design this complete whole page. I'll be designing for you. Live, I'll be designing it. But as of now, just structural code. Let's see so that you can get the base idea. Sir, look at here. If I click on sign in, one page is opening. Okay, some response is coming from JSP. What is this page? JSP servlet, those things we'll see later. As of now, core Java point of view, methods point of view, let's see. This portion I want to work. Sir, same background design and all, don't expect right now. Just Eclipse side GUI based what I get, that one only you expect. Don't expect me to design that background and all right now. Okay, this background and all, what is that? Netflix is logo coming, this background is some page is coming, some image is there in the background, then these fields are there. Don't expect that. Have some patience for that. You're not ready for that. Okay, you're not prepared yet. Just this structure you are prepared. What structure is sign in. Going to design a structure for you where this is a sign in structure where it is asking us to provide email or mobile number and password. So here first thing, email or mobile number or password. That means as a beginner you can say here enter your mobile number. Can I say something like this? Later database connectivity and all you'll see in advanced Java, not in core Java. We are right now in core Java level, not in advanced Java level. So please have some patience. This webinar is for the beginners. From beginner to advanced, I said, no? From beginner, from grassroots level to advanced level will reach. So beginning level I'll give you. Later advanced level. Enter your mobile number. Then over here, enter your password. Enter your mobile number and then enter your password. All right. Once these two things are entered, we have over here sign in. This much portion I am designing. Other portions we can continue later. As of now, time is very much less. So let me design at least up to here. The real-time scenario for developing a module of Netflix. What a module? Sign-in module we are designing. One portion we are designing. Using core Java methods, how we are going to perform it. You can use this in interview also. They will ask you, give one example. Yeah, you can say sign-in operation I'm going to perform using methods, user-defined method. Okay. Now look at here very carefully. Enter your mobile number. Here you'll be giving some value. Some value you'll be giving. Let's say some value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Some number, mobile number you'll enter. Some mobile number you'll enter. Plus 91. Let's say 9438 409 609. Don't make calls on these numbers. I don't know what number it is. Wait, let me take Naresh IT number. Hi, Kuljasim Singh, what happened? Wait,
This number is my input. Password is 1234 NIT. All right, now listen here. This number and this password, these two are the input. These two are input. These two are input, nothing but the data as input. Data as input. Right, now sign in. This sign in is the operation that we have to perform. Sign in is the operation that we have to perform. Now listen very carefully. With this, only one more type I am going to cover. Okay, now look at here. How will I design it in Java, sir? Now for the Java, every Java program starts with a class. Now this is the Netflix. So Netflix account. Netflix account. I created a Netflix account class. In the Netflix account, different account have different user ID and password. In the Netflix account, different account have different user ID and password. So what I will do, I'll take two variables. What are the variables? String user ID, because user ID can be anything, na? Can be a mobile number, can be some person's mail ID. So string is the better choice. Next, password. Passwords will also be string only. PWD, I'm taking one of password, PWD. This account login is one of my best and favorite example actually. Everyone can understand it easily because everyone is doing this operation. Now, user ID and password. Sir, public static void main string array of arguments. All right. Now I'll ask the user to enter the data. If user is asked to enter data, means obviously scanner required. So importing java.util.scanner. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. Asking the user to enter the user ID. Enter the user ID, nothing but username or mobile number, your choice. User will enter. Where he will enter? One more variable required here, sir. User ID is equals to sc dot. Next line. Spaces will not be there in user ID, so next only I'm taking. Next, asking the user to enter a password. Enter the password. User will enter the password, so password will be over here. String pwd is equals to sc dot. Next, password also entered. Now think of it that I need to check the user ID and password in the database. Right now, I cannot make the database for you because we are in core Java level. So I can do one thing. I can just take some values for this user ID and password predefined way, and then I'll compare. Some logic, fixed logic I'll be taking, and then I'll be comparing it. Okay. So first I'll pass this user ID and password for these two, and I'll compare. How will I compare? Now, first let me pass the values for this. So I will be taking one method, public void set user ID, public void set password. First, let me set the user ID and password. When I set the user ID, I need to give the user ID value. When I set the password, I need to give the password. As of now, just accept and continue. Okay. This dot user ID is equals to user ID. I'll be explaining later about this keyword and all if you don't know. As of now, just accept. For the current object, whoever will call this method, for that object, what is the user ID? That user ID is nothing but what you will get over here. Whatever I'll get here, I'll be setting that value to the current object user ID. Similarly, for current object password, whatever I get in the password parameter, that one I am setting. Now, user ID password, I need to set first. Later, I will check the login. So for login, public void login. When I log in, what is required? Input required or not required? Tell me. If I want to log in here, I want to sign in. Sign in nothing but login. Input required or not required? Come on. Here, input required or not required here? Without input, can I click on sign in? Click sign in. Will it work? No, your password must contain some data. Na? Sign in. It's not going to work that time. So what shall I do? I must provide input. So to provide input for an operation, parameter is compulsory. Keep that in mind. To provide input for an operation, we must design parameterized method. This is the important point. Rules. You should remember it. Here, login operation required input. So string user ID, string password. All right. So first, user ID and password will be entered. We will set that. Then we will check it. First, store user ID and password. For whom? For a Netflix account. Netflix account, home account is equals to new Netflix account. In our home account, we are using some user ID and password will be setting up. Whatever user ID and password will enter, that will be set up for Netflix home account. Enter user ID for account. As now, just keep it only for one account. One home account only I'm taking. So how will I do it? For the home account, something is entered that I have to set na home account dot set user ID. Whatever user ID entered. Similarly, home account dot set a password. I need to enter the password. So for the home account, user ID, whatever entered by user. For the home account, password, whatever password entered by the user. All right, think of it. In the home account, we got an account. This is my home account. This is the home account. Right, this is the home account. In the home account, we have two things. One is user ID, another is password. Think like this. We have the home account for which we have the user ID and we have the password. All right. In the user ID, initially there is no value. So it is null. No value is there means null. String, na, that's why null. Default value null. For the password also initially no value, that's why null. Now, home account is there. Here is my home account. Next line, enter the user ID. User ID entered. Suppose here user ID entered is home123. Then password is home@11. This is the password. Now, these two things which are entered, are they entered right now for home user ID No, they are not entered yet for home user ID. So for home account, I need to set the values what I have got. So what I will do as of now, two values I'm getting, user ID and password over here. These are separate memory. Two separate memories are there. Two separate memories are there. One side the object memory, other side here the temporary values. So here hello 123 and over here home at the rate 11. All right. Now what is my work is I need to transfer these values hello 123 to over here and home at the rate 11 to over here. This is my target. I need to transfer. So to whom I am transferring? To home account I am transferring. How am I transferring? I am transferring them by the support of set user ID. So set user ID, what it is saying? Set user ID saying that I will take the user ID and pass it to current object user ID. Who is the current object? Home account. For this home account, set this ID. Hello 123. So null will be changed to hello 123. So this hello 123 is copied over there. Hello 123 came over here, copied. Similarly, null for the password, which is now set by set password, set pwd. So for that also, this home at the rate 11, this will be set. Got it. So right now, home account got user ID hello 123 and password home at the rate 11. Till here, you have understood? Yeah, directly we can assign to the instance variables, but it will be for all the objects. We know it will be for all the objects. Again, you need to rechange. If you do it in the initially, during the declaration, if you initialize means for all the objects, it will become same. Later, manually, if you'll do home set, this home account dot user ID equals to this, home account dot password equals to this. That is also one way. But I'm following some coding standards. That's why I'm taking this setter methods. You'll get to know very soon when you are continuing the encapsulation chapter. That time you'll get to know why these set methods I have taken. I'm just making some basic coding standards which you have to practice. That is also a way, but standard I'm maintaining by using setter methods. All right, now these values are set. Once the values are set, I need to compare them for login. So what I will say, if this dot user ID predefined method equals method to compare the user ID. To compare two different strings equality, we use equals method. This dot user ID means current object. Who is the current object? Home account. For the home account, user ID is the same as what I passed as input. And for the home account, password is same as, that means equals pwd. If it is true, then only I will say welcome to Netflix account. Else what I must say? Else one error message I'll give. Error message system.err.println. What error? Kindly enter correct user ID and password, or you can say invalid credentials. Invalid credentials entered. Invalid credentials entered. So try again. All right. Few more minutes. It will be over for today. Now I set the user ID. I set the password. After setting the user ID and password, I'm asking the user enter the login credentials. I'll enter the login credential. How will I enter the login credentials? Now, for login, I need the home account support because what you are going to log in, I'm going to log in the home account. So login is again a non-static method. You see, login is a non-static method. Na? Non-static method will be called using object. Which object? The type under which it is created. What is the type under which it is created? Netflix account. So what object required? Netflix account object. What is the Netflix account object? Home account. So what you will say? Home account dot login by entering the user ID and the password. sc.next int means enter values. Na? Once I enter this user ID and password that I first set, first we do the registration. Here registration done. After that, enter login details. After that, at last, thank you. Enter login credentials are done. Enter the user ID. Let me set registration I'm doing. Na? So let me set this user ID. What is the user ID I'm expecting? Hello123. Enter password. Home@11. Registered user. Now enter login credentials. Login credential is hello123 and password home@1. Welcome to Netflix account. Thank you. Now re-execute. Re-execute means old data gone. Now new data. Hello@123. Password hello asterisk and exclamation. Now login credential hello@123. Password I'll give wrong. Hello. Thank you. Invalid credentials entered. Try again. Got it? So this is our user defined methods that we designed. Some method I designed for setting the values. One method I designed for login into the account. Total 3 user defined method I used. Try catch will be doing later, sir. Don't worry. Where can you practice? You have to join Naresh IT for that. Or else you have to wait for the next webinar that I'll be conducting. I'll be giving some questions also. You have to watch it again, sir. All right. So now, as the time is over for today, guys, thank you so much for coming. And I promise you'll be getting the next webinar soon. Maybe tomorrow, very soon. At the same time, the webinar will be conducted, or else in the evening, it will be conducted. Let me decide with the management based on my free slots. After that, you'll be notified soon. Okay. By tomorrow, you'll be notified. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Yeah, you can ask your doubts. You got any doubt? You can ask, or else you can leave. Yeah, please exit the webinar if you don't have any doubt. You want the program in the chat? Okay. Take this program in the chat. This is the program. Just a second. I guess the complete cannot come. The complete I cannot give it in the chat. It's not pasting. Don't worry. I'll be putting it in the note. In the WhatsApp group, notes will be shared. Na? There will be getting it. Don't worry. By the end of the day, you'll be getting the notes in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be having the session. You will be notified by the end of the day for the tomorrow's session. If not, by the end of the day, if it is not notified, then by tomorrow first half only it will be notified. YouTube link not required. Okay, YouTube link you want me to share? Just give me a second. Here it will come. No, not here. I see live is going on. Other faculties also conducting live session right now. And this is mine. So this is my. Today's session is there. You can watch it. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for attending. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Most probably same time, 9 o'clock only it will be conducted. If any changes is there, it will be notified. Otherwise, you can come directly at 9 o'clock. Okay. Whatever it is, it will be notified in the group. Don't worry. Thank you so much.